Hey friends, welcome back to Crafter Support. Today I'm going to share with you how to make cute planner clips for either your planners or your junk journals or your Bible journals, whatever it is that you do. So you can make these out of just about anything that you have lying around. You can make them out of washi tape, which I should have done that. Now that I think about it, I could have made one out of washi tape. I'm sure you'll see that in another video where I'm just like setting up a plannerless spread that I'll use that. But you just mainly need some paper clips and some cute little pieces of ephemera, whether it's cardstock ephemera or I use buttons here. I use rolled flowers, ribbon, and what else do I have here? I'm trying to think. All little acrylic pieces that I purchased, and even some of the decorative, what's it called? Like the yellow stuff, the yellow flower thing, that circle there, that piece. That's just like the crepe paper that you use for party decorations, and those make some of the cutest different planner accessories that I've used them for. And here's just a piece of acrylic one, and these are so easy to make. This one, it just slides into the side of your planner, which I show you how it works. And it just kind of makes like a tab, but they all turn out so super cute. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut a piece of my ribbon, and we're going to stick it through the top of the paper clip, and we're just going to open it up and pull it through the top, and then we can trim off at the angle, or if you wanted to do a fishtail ribbon, you could do that as well. That's where you just fold the ribbon in half, and then you cut up the center and then up through to each side. But that's how it looks in your planner, and they're just really cute, and they're fun little pieces. It's a great way to I'm trying to think of the word I'm using that I want to use. It's a great way to coordinate, that's the word, with whatever you're making. So say you were making a fishing themed planner spread, and you wanted to put like a fish or maybe a little basket, like a fishing basket. You could do that. I like doing these little pom-pom ones. They're so easy and cute, and they're very inexpensive, and like your older or your younger teens could make these for in their whether they have like a summer binder where they keep like a little journal or something like that. And then I got all these pieces to make barrettes, and I thought some of these pieces were small enough. Like that's a little gummy bear. This is like a candy one, like a fun candy one, and you can get these sets for pretty inexpensive off of Amazon. Now these are Christmas ones, but I just wanted to show you all the different options that I had in my selection. So I wanted to do this little, I almost called it an umbrella. No, it's a rainbow, and all I do is put some glue across the back, and then I lay my paper clip right down on top of it, trying to get it as centered as possible. And then I'm just going to set it aside and let it dry, because these are really fun to make, and you can get really creative with them. Like I have all these buttons. You can use brads. You can use anything that you can junk journal with, you can use to make a planner clip. I do suggest you do not use and I say do not use it, but I mean, like, I'm suggesting use a light, like a low heat hot glue gun, because these Cricut one is super hot. If you watched my last video, I got some pretty bad burns from using it, just because I burn myself every time I use a hot glue gun. And this one with the buttons and things, they have holes in the center, and the glue is coming up through a little bit, not a lot, because if you put the right amount of glue on, you'll be fine. But I usually put too much. And so we can also use different pieces of paper, like, when I say paper, I mean cardstock ephemera, and that we can do by just simply laying out our piece and then putting our clip either on the side or from top to bottom, and then you can slide the whole clip down into your planner, and you'll see that whenever I walk you through all of the pieces being put in the planner. And then just to finish it off so the back looks nice, I put a little button to cover up the little bit of a kind of mess that the hot glue gun makes. Now here's where I'm using the crepe paper, and I'm just kind of like crimping it into the center. And then I'm going to cut out another piece to give it something to hot glue onto. Now at this point you could just hot glue a button in the center or a puff ball or something like that, but I just cut a piece of the same material off and I lay it in the center to make sure that it glues down right, and you won't be able to see that piece because we're going to cover it with a button. So even though this is crepe paper and it's very thin, the hot glue did not go through. It was fine. It didn't stick to my mat or anything like that. And here I just put the little button on, and then we can flip it over and put our paper clip on. So I got these paper clips off Amazon too. I pretty much get most of my non-Cricut or Stampin' Up things off of Amazon. And I'm just going around this one now and trimming it just to make it a little bit smaller. And I should have been doing this from the front because I would have evened it out a little better. It's kind of wonky, but it's okay. It still looks super cute in my planner. And there, see, I burnt myself again. And here I just have the buttons on them, and I go around trimming a little bit more. But how cute would those be to make like sunflowers out of them for like in the fall, doing a fall planner spread? Just, I thought that was a really cute idea. So here I'm just walking you guys through how when you put them in your planner, how they work. And I use the ones that are dry because some of them were still wet. But look how cute that looks. Those little puff balls are adorable. The flowers are super cute. And here with this one, I can show you how it just slides on. Oh, I guess you didn't see that. Sorry. It just slides in like sideways instead of from top to bottom. And that's what they look like. And here's another one that I just slide on the side. So it could be like your daily marked page where it just flips open to the page that you want. And they are so cute. They really turned out nice. And then what I'll do is I'll put these in like a little pencil box. Here's one that I slide onto the side, and it makes like a little tab that you can open up. And it looks really cute. It works really well. I do like to decorate with planner clips a lot, but yeah, I lost my train of thought. Yeah, so you can make all different planner clips. I choose to use them for all sorts of planning things like junk journaling and things like that. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.